Hello, my name is Kelvin Hawthorne, and this is your NIU weekly forecast brought to you by NIU AMS and Northern Star Media. Let's start with some campus headlines. We're going to start the week with a chance of severe thunderstorms. We'll talk about that in just a moment. Rain chances persist through Wednesday, and then we enter a big cool down period relative to what we've had recently for the end of the week and the weekend. So what's normal this time of year? Our average high for April 16th is 59 degrees, average low 37, and we expect around 1/10 of an inch of precipitation this time of year. Our record high set in 2003 is 85 degrees, record low in 2020, 19 degrees, and the precipitation record was set in 2012 with 1.75 inches of precipitation. So here's your daily planner for Tuesday. Our average high, again, 59 degrees. We're going to start just below average, cooler in the morning, 50 and 52 degrees at 6 and 8 a.m. We start to warm things up with sunshine between 10 and 12, with 62 degrees being the temperature for lunchtime. 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. is when we start to introduce the risk of some showers and thunderstorms into the area. 72 is going to be our high at 4 p.m. and then 70 and 65 in the evening, so cooling off. But that is where we're going to start to see the potential for a few strong to severe thunderstorms in the region and in the vicinity of campus. Speaking of that severe weather potential, how do we quantify these severe weather risks? Because we always talk about them, but how exactly are they laid out? We have a level 1 through 5 risk scale, 1 being the lowest, 5 being the highest. You can see what the name of those categories are there: marginal, slight, enhanced, moderate, and high risk. When you have those marginal to slight risk, level 1 and 2 risk, that's the isolated to scattered severe thunderstorms across an area. Enhanced to moderate risk, that's where you see the scattered to numerous severe thunderstorms in an area. And the high risk, not too common, is where you start to see numerous severe thunderstorms. That's our severe weather outbreaks and tornado outbreaks down there. So what are we expecting for Tuesday? Level 3 out of 5 risk of severe weather for Davenport and Galesburg out there. You head up towards Dixon, Rockford, campus, of course, Joliet, and Chicago. Level 2 out of 5 risk. And then Indianapolis and Valparaiso off to the east are expecting a level 1 out of 5 risk of severe weather. So what exactly are our severe thunderstorm threats for Tuesday? Tornado threat about midway through the slider here. This is the highest threat level. This is the lowest threat level down here. We're going to expect right in the middle for tornado potential. A little higher on damaging wind and hail potential. You can see our primary threats: damaging winds and hail, but that tornado threat is a little higher than we would like it to be. So we'll have to keep an eye on the potential for a few tornadoes on Tuesday. What's the difference between a watch and a warning? Something everybody should know. A tornado watch is that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, and that you should stay informed and be ready to take action should some severe thunderstorm, particularly a tornado, threaten your area. Tornado warning or severe thunderstorm warning. A thunderstorm is capable of producing a tornado, or a tornado is imminent. That's when you take shelter. Go to a basement or interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and stay away from windows. Monitor forecast updates. That is the take action stage. It's the difference between a watch and a warning. What about our severe weather safety? If you're outdoors, a lot of us will be outdoors here on campus going to class or engaging in athletic events. Be aware of the forecast before you head out. Know how you will receive warnings. Know where the nearest shelter is, and of course take action when severe weather strikes. Don't wait. So here's your 3-day forecast for Northern Illinois University. Again, severe thunderstorms to start the week. That's going to be Tuesday, high of 72 degrees, 90% chance of precipitation there. Wednesday, we're going to keep the chance of precipitation around, 70% chance of thunderstorms. No severe weather on Wednesday, I don't think, but we'll still keep the risk around. And then we start to taper the precipitation on Thursday, 20% chance of rain and 60 degrees. Here's your 7-day forecast. We're going to cool down for the end of the week and weekend. Friday 55, and we keep the mid-50s for Saturday and Sunday. But we're going to be in sunshine, no rain potential, and probably not too windy as well. So these will be tolerable 50s, not too bad, but a little cooler relative to what we've had the past couple days earlier in the week. And then Monday, we're going to have mostly sunny skies and